Okay, Dixie, get ready to go chase that ball.
Ready?
Here we go. Whoa, watch her run. She runs like a racehorse. Actually, she runs like a greyhound. Come on, Dixie. Oh, she's slowing down.
She's tired. She's going to go back to the pool.
And there she goes.
Right
Going to the pool? Nope, guess not.
You want to go again? Okay.
One more time.
Ready?
Here we go. There she goes to her pool. Yep, there she is. Hanging out in the pool, relaxing.
The spa. Here we go, the spa.
You're just panting hard, aren't you, Dixie? Yeah, good, Dixie. And that's the trip to the dog park in Niceville, Florida. Goodbye.